My name is Beth Meirav. I live in Boca Raton, Florida, although New Yorker in my heart. I'm a nutrition coach. I specialize in midlife women, helping them with weight loss and food sensitivities and developing healthy habits. Masterclass event means everything to me, connecting with these women. I'm a solo practitioner, so I've felt kind of alone and floundering, and being a part of this community and coming together at this masterclass truly is everything. We're all very open and sharing, and we learn so much, but it's the community that just fills my heart. I'd say Masterclass is for anyone that wants to connect and feel great and feel inspired. It is something I look forward to all year long, and I count down the days.